friends, welcome to the Game Lab. For playing an Android games on computer, we use BlueStacks. For downloading BlueStacks, just open your web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use your own browser. Just search bluestacks.com. Click on the first link. Just click on download BlueStacks. BlueStacks will downloading. It will take some time to download. When your download was complete, just open the downloads folder. Right click on BlueStacks installer. Just open it. Click on the run button. After extracting the files, installation window will appear. Just click on Install Now button. It will take some time to install the BlueStacks. When installing is done, BlueStacks will open automatically. BlueStacks takes too much time to start the engine. Just wait. After some time of starting the engine, you will get the error, engine could not start. Just close the error window and go to the settings. Click on engine and switch to the DirectX. Click on restart now button. BlueStacks will start the engine. Please wait for it. It was loaded successfully. Let's check it's working or not. BlueStacks is properly working. Hope you guys understood how to install BlueStacks in computer. Thank you guys for watching my video. Comment below if you got any other problem. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Game Lab.